Hello, so this is a collective love reading. I'll tell you your situation first. If it resonates to whatever is happening at present in your relationship with your partner, especially in no contact situation, you can easily find out what could be the possible outcome. And I'll give you one guidance also, like what can be done to bring balance to the situation and maintaining a healthy relationship. Okay, let me see what is the current situation that you are facing with your partner if you are in no contact situation. Okay, let me see what is happening with you. Collective, those who are listening, um, let me see what's happening with you at present. Are you detaching? Are you trying to detach from this partner because just because you wanted something, you just wanted something full of commitment? You wanted commitment in the situation, and you did not get it. Let me see what could be the another reason that you are trying to detach from the situation. Actually, you have spent enough time. You have given enough effort to the situation. So much effort that you are at the situation was almost on the breaking point. ये आपने उस टाइम में सिचुएशन को लेट गो करने किया है या फिर ये डिस्कनेक्शन हुआ है देन इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट डन मतलब दिस वाज दैट वाज द एंड ऑफ योर एफर्ट इससे ज्यादा आप नहीं कुछ कर सकते है ना so if this is your situation you're very heartbroken you seem very heartbroken putting in efforts and one-sided efforts every time without any reciprocation the other person was not at all reciprocating okay let me see if the situation remains like this only, what could be the possible outcome in the situation? Hmm. This situation may uh, move towards some commitment, but how? Let me see how. Let me see how. Okay, see, the other person is seeing you very detached, so you know he or she is watching you for somewhere. It's very clearly visible. He is seeing you're enjoying your time. You're not chasing this person, and this will be the reason that there are high chances that this person will try to reconnect. Okay, and then further there are with a good intention. Okay, of giving you some commitments and all. Okay, but I'll give you the time frame. Wait, let me see. कब तक पॉसिबल है लेट मी सी द टाइम फ्रेम व्हाट कुड बी कब तक ये आपको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं आपके पार्टनर ओके लेट मी सी द टाइम फ्रेम see it can be whenever you're watching this video no it can be within 1 or 1.5 months this person may connect to you let me see guidance universal guidance like what you should do so that uh, what can be done what should be done to bring balance to the situation and manifest whatever you want in the situation what is the universal guidance for you wait a minute this guidance is for you particularly okay oh see universe is asking you to it's nothing like you should absolutely detach from the situation see it's about healing yourself you are absolutely on the right track at present even after listening to this reading do one thing uh, try to develop something see every day must be very special to you like every day when you get up in the morning give this affirmation to yourself that this day is very excellent for me everything is working out in my favor and all everything okay because there are high chances that the more you glow and this usually happens always that the more you glow the more you are putting in efforts to yourself it creates a kind of void the other side okay this person is actually missing your energies and he or she will miss you even more and even if this person comes back into your life in that case also you need to maintain a healthy boundary doesn't mean not putting efforts healthy boundaries it's understanding your worth Okay, never try to chase this person again. Hopefully this is going absolutely towards some positive situation only. This person must give you commitment. I already gave you the time frame. Okay, all the very best. Stay blessed.